After I'm done eating, I'm going to drink coffee in my favorite coffee shop. After coffee, I'm heading towards my garage, where I have some more of the gear left in there that I need for construction site visit. Hello there, and welcome to my garage again. In my studio, I have some working outfits which I'm going to wear on this outfit because it's freezing out there. How do I look? It's big, but you know it works, so why not? Some of the important things I always carry with me is this pen and couple of these small papers, because this is how I give formal instructions to the workers out there. What I highly recommend bringing is some other shoes to the construction site, because there is lots of steel there and you don't want to ruin your own. And most important thing for me on construction site is this thing here. Sì, Tony, bravo. Su. Avanti. That's it for today. See you next time.